guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a halfway to Halloween project. It's just a couple weeks late, but I wanted to make a halfway to Halloween project, and I wanted a chance to use some of this beautiful paper from Country Craft Creations. And I use this super cute paper, Bewitching Hour by Country Craft Creations. And this paper is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. The little images and stuff are super pretty. I love the cute little witches. And then this part here with these little flying witches are really cute. So let's see what I did. So this is kind of a remake from a project that I had made a couple of years ago. And it was actually a trifold project that I made. So I made it into a smaller version, and it's basically a hardcover folio, and it opens up like this, just like that, and everything is closed so nothing will fall out, so there's closures and stuff. So let me start off. This is a waterfall, and let me show you. So it just all flips up, and then I have the little string closure, obviously you just saw. So you have some can put some pictures that way, and then I also created it where you have these little flips, and you can put pictures this way. So it gives you the option to do landscape and portrait photos, and then a set of little stacked pockets inside, just like that. You can see how cute the paper is, and these are the cut apart cards. Really cute. And it's a fun, simple little project. Doesn't take really very long to put together because it's not a big project. So, and then all closes up, and a little string closure. It's funny because when I originally made this project, the original one was a Christmas one, so now I'm doing it in Halloween. A little different than the original one. This page here was actually on the opposite side, and it was a full acetate window. I didn't feel like playing with acetate this time, so I just kind of revised a few things, flipped it around a little bit, and kind of like how it came out. So a little string closure right here, opens up just like that, and then you can see all the layering here, which is kind of fun. As you add more layer and stuff, it looks really pretty. So on the top part here is just a little pocket. You can see the pretty papers. And the idea of the pocket is to weight down this flap to keep everything else in it closed. So then it flips up. And you can also add a photo here if you wish, and another pocket. So there's lots of pockets. So if you like pockets and something simple, this has a lot of those pockets there. Okay, my virus protection just popped up on my computer. So it's like that, and then room for photos. Now originally on this here, I was going to do a magnet closure, and then in the tutorial you'll see I was talking about the magnet, and then like the very next section that I recorded, I was like, nope, we're not doing magnet, because I knew at that point this was going to get fuller, and if you did a magnet, as you get fuller, your papers start to expand away and you'll lose that connection. So I went with the string closure. So, and I'm happy I did. It looks kind of pretty on it. So, and then it folds this way, and room for photos and stuff. I'm just showing the really pretty paper, but you can go ahead and add some photos in there as well as right here. And then on this part is another nice big pocket, and cut apart cards. And then another page right here. And if I hold this up, you can see this is the back side. Really cute. So another nice big pocket in the back with the cards. And then I made them all into photo mats too, so they all have paper on the back. And then right here is a nice little section for some pull-out photos that you can go ahead and add. And it stays all tucked. And then this little flap here, you can always add a little corner pocket if you wanted to add some kind of a little tag right here. But it all folds back down. So you have the fun of things flipping up and flipping over. So it has a lot of interactive flippings, which is super cute. And then right here, the little house. And then we just close all back up. So it's a fun little project. If you don't have a lot of photos or a small event or something, you can go ahead and put it in it. And then again, everything stays closed, so nothing will fall out. Just like that. So I will have a full tutorial coming out on this in the next day or so. If you enjoy this cute little project, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.